Hello everybody, in this tutorial I just want to show you actually how to configure the Android SDK software development kit. So when you open the Android Studio, you should click on the configure and click on SDK manager, and as you can see it's gonna open a window that shows the Android APIs and the SDK packages that you can actually download and use them. And be sure to actually check the show package details. And as you can see, I have Android 6.0 installed, and Google APIs Android 23, Google APIs Intel, x86 Atom system image, and sources for Android 23 installed on my computer. Later we will actually come back to this screen and do some changes according to our applications. So I think this is enough for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.